Look at that, you see?
Yeah.
You see that pulley's completely destroyed.
Yeah.
Thing just broke off.
Yeah, I see it, bro.
That's what caused your belt to snap.
Oh, yeah, I see it now. Okay.
See?
Facts.
You need a new one of those.
Damn.
How's it going?
What's going on, brother? Heard you know
Long
you
time no see, huh?
Yes, sir. Love, bro. Yeah, brother. So, it's gonna be. I can turn it on here. Let me turn it on. Show you, bro.
No, don't turn it on. Don't turn it on. Okay. Yeah, I was doing research on this engine.
Yes, sir.
That belt powers the water pump. So if you run it, it's gonna overheat your engine. You're gonna need a new engine.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you don't want to do that. Okay. You already got the old belt out?
Yeah.
Yes.
It's ripped in half and everything.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Damn, that thing was. I wonder what caused it. Ooh. I think that's your problem right there. You see that? You said a mechanic was here?
Yeah, okay, what about this?
I think there should be a pulley right there. Look at that, you see?
Yeah.
You see that pulley's completely destroyed.
Yeah.
Thing just broke off.
Yeah, I see it, bro.
That's what caused your belt to snap.
Oh, yeah, I see it now. Okay.
See?
Facts.
You need a new one of those.
Damn.
You said you had a mechanic over here though?
Yeah, he had came and look at it though. I thought he had seen that shit. But I definitely see what you're saying though.
I guess you didn't inspect it very well.
No, that's obvious.
Check that out, right?
You could already see.
The belt goes over there.
Yeah,
That's what rotates it.
The truck is just too much shit going on with that, bro.
There's a lot,
bro. Damn, and then I told you about the wheel bearings. Man, that's what he really just gave me the money for, bro. Like I gave him the truck really, bro. It's going a guarantee every day. You know what I'm saying, bro?
Gotcha. Yeah. Oh, that's good.
Where's wind came from, bro?
I know, it's crazy, right?
Damn. Can't do all that deep freeze, bro. I'm like, damn, I had to give it to you today. Yes, sir. Okay, brother, let's do it. Yes, sir. Yeah, that day that day was serious as hell, bro. You did your shit, bro.
That thing's really stuck on there, man.
Huh?
This thing's really stuck on there.
I thought you took it off.
Yeah, part of it. How's half, buddy?
Oh, it's heavy.
There we go.
Oh, that's what you're trying to get off.
Oh, man.
You know, I didn't even know that part was important, too. What's that? Call me if you need nothing.
Yeah. See what we got. What are you thinking, buddy?
No, I'm saying it sounds smoother than how it was before. Remember?
Oh, yeah.
It was noisy as fuck, and it sound more better. Like how it sounded before all my life.